in a vain attempt to catch the lightning, because it's just gone off 3 times in those last 2-3 minutes. And there's still cars. I mean, what's with this? Oh, might have got that one. Okay, might have got that one. We'll check that out in a second. Did you have to do that while I'm recording? Come on then, one more just for good measure and then I can go back to bed. But the sky is really heavy again now. And I don't know if it's going to show up on the video, but it's looking pretty laden.